Hi everyone, it's Sandy and thank you for joining me. In this video I'm going to share with you guys some metal cutting dies that were sent to me from INLOVEARTSHOP. So for those that have a metal cutting die machine, these are just some dies that you could purchase if you're interested. I will put the link down below to all of the products that I'm going to show you in this video as well. So just click on the link to the product and it will take you straight to that item and then you can make your purchase. You will also receive a 15% discount if you use my coupon code as well, and I'll put that code down below for you. But I'm going to go right ahead and share with you guys some of the dies. They are really good dies as well. Again, they are from INLOVEARTSHOP, and first die I'm going to share with you is this gift box shaped die, and it has these score lines when you cut it out, and that indicates where you need to fold your paper to create this cute gift box here. I made two here just to show you as well what they look like, so if you decide you want to purchase them you can see the size as well. It measures, I think, approximately, I'll just have a look, it's about 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches with a depth of about 3/4 of an inch. I mean, they are not really large gift boxes, but they will still hold some cute little treats, little jewelry, packaging of sequins or little embellishments. So that's this one here. I also have here another gift box treat favor die here. Again, it has these score lines that tell you where you need to fold your paper. I also made the boxes here to show you. These are really adorable. They're so cute. Again, they're not very large, but they will still hold a few little items in there. So that's the inside of the box. You can add little charms as well in there, little lollies. I've just got here a wood peg to keep the lid closed. So that's that one. This one here measures 1.5 inches by 1.5 inches by 1 inch in depth, and I've just used a little bow ribbon embellishment just to decorate that. That's that one. I then made these embellishments here as well, and I did use a couple of different dies for this project. I did use this one here. Got a little bit of let me just take this out. I did use this to cut something out, so I'm just going to poke out so you can see the bits and pieces. But so I'll just poke that out just so you can see. So I did use this one here for these two projects. That's this one here with the black paper, and it just cuts out these little squares and makes this really nice shape. And that's this one here. I also then use this flower center, which is part of this one. That's this die here. I think I'll turn it that way, you can see. Sorry about the paper that's stuck in there. But it's this die here, and when you run that through your machine, it will cut out two pieces. And let me see if I did cut one out. So, okay, I've got it here. That's what will cut out. Well, that's the shape it'll cut out. So it will cut out this piece, and then you also have this little flower piece, which you can also use that in another project, or you can layer them together to make one piece. But I've separated the two and placed the flower here, or this one here, and the outer bit, which is this one here, I placed that on this one here. So that's that die shape. And over here at the back, which are these two yellow ones, these are some doily dies that also came in the mail for me. You get a set of two, get the larger size doily shape and a smaller size. Really like this die. If you love doilies, these two are great. Great size and a great decorative doily as well. So that's the smaller size. This here is the larger size. The measurement for the larger one is about 4 inches in diameter, and you can also just paper layer them both on top of the larger size, or you can keep them separately, and then you can use this as a bag topper, and you can just fold that in half and it will make a bag topper, and you just decorate it. So that's this one here. You get the set of 2. I also have this really great bag topper. If you love bag toppers for decorating your packaging, this is a really nice pattern, a nice shape. I'll see if I've got it cut up. This is how it looks like when you run it through your machine. It's shaped like this, and there is like a score line here in the middle where it tells you where to fold it, and you just fold that like that, and then you fold that back, and you make this really pretty bag topper. I've made 2 that I've embellished already. So this one here is one of them, and this is the other one that I've made. Again, I use some of their other dies. This one here is a flower set die. That's this one. You get these pieces, you get these 2 leaves, and you get these 2. I ran it through and then I just laid them on top of one another, and that's the leaf part. And this here is one of their word dies. You get a set of different words. Hello is one of them. I'll put the link to that product as well down below. It's a really nice font and it's great size. This is another bag topper shape embellishment that I've made. Again, I use that same flower layered in the middle here, and these leaves that I've layered are also from INLOVEARTSHOP, and that's this die, leaf set die. You get quite a few of them. I've kept mine intact altogether. I didn't separate the leaves. It's just easy for me to just run it through the machine this way, and I get a whole heap of leaves, and I will have them already packaged in, in a bag if I need to use them. So that's just one of them. I'll show you a few just so you can see what they look like. That's one of them. And they do cut really well. They're quite intricate, but they do cut really well through your machine as well. That's the other one. I think there's a couple more. That's another one. There is a few more. I don't know if I've got that one. That's another one. So they are great sizes. You can make them into a wreath, add them to your cards. So many ways you could add these leaves to your project. So that's the leaves. And just to show you how the bag topper looks like on your packaging, I'm just going to quickly just show you. I have a clear seal plastic bag here. Usually when I have a bag topper, I like to keep the opening seal at the bottom. That way when you open the package, you don't damage your bag topper that's sitting up here, and then you can reuse the packaging if you decide to send it to somebody. And I just simply grab some nice decorative paper just to have a nice backing onto your packaging. It's always nice to have a decorative backing. Let's just say I'm going to place this on the inside. I think I'm just going to move that over a bit. You just place your packaged item inside, seal the bottom, and your bag topper, you just add some double-sided tape to the inside and just placing that on the top of your bag topper, and then you have a nice decorative packaging ready for you to gift away. And then they can reuse this packaging again, or they can take this topper and add it to another packaging of theirs. Just put a little bit of a double-sided tape so it's easy for them to take out. And that is the project share that I've shared with you here from INLOVEARTSHOP. Again, I'll put all the details down below for you. I hope you like all the projects that I made and these lovely dies, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.